So
You
you're
know,
over it.
no, I'm not over. I'm just saying that and nothing happened to her. It just, I don't know what happened.
No, no, no. This thing said that you had a setup in your bathroom where you would play video games. Why are you leaving a baby by themselves, unattended?
Welcome to Courtroom Trial and Truth.
2023 CR 7159, State of Texas versus Stevie Ray Stokes. Can our parties announce for the record? For the state?
Savannah.
Defense?
Kelly Piddle.
And are you Stevie Ray Stokes? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Stokes, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are proceeding on count one, abandoning a child, and we are waiving and abandoning the remaining counts.
Any objection?
No objection.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers of Affidavit and Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with abandoning, endanger, and placing in imminent danger of bodily injury as a second-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand? If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Do you understand?
Yes.
And on this case, is there an application for deferred adjudication or no?
Just community supervision.
All right, any objection to the court checking the box where there says there's no application for deferred adjudication?
No objection, Judge.
All right, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Stokes, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? Are you a U.S. citizen? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count one. Punishment is to be assessed at 8 years in the prison. There's no application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, sir.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years and there be no contact with Zilila Washington, Ziliah. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then to count one, how do you plea? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State on persistence exhibit one with attachments. No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits one and attachments and review the same. Do y'all have the autopsy?
We do.
All right, I need to see that. Any objection to the state of bending the stipulations to include the autopsy?
No.
All right, state, are you offering in evidence the autopsy?
No objection.
Then the autopsy will be included as part of the stipulations. Thank you. All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
What would you like to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, we ask that you follow the plea bargain. Myself, Mr. Saldana, and Mr. Stokes thoughtfully came to this conclusion of the case, and we ask that you follow it.
How old are you?
24.
Why are you leaving a baby by themselves, unattended?
Well, I just got out here in Texas. She wanted us to come down here and she wanted to see my daughter and my son. So I came out all the way out here. I didn't have it. I had money, but I had, diapers and wipes and stuff. I didn't have it. I couldn't count on my mom because she works.
No. This thing said that you had a setup in your bathroom where you would play video games.
No,
That's what's in the, am I the only person who read this in the stipulations? That's what's in the stipulations. So I don't understand that. And it says that this child was born premature. And in it, finally, the police get you to admit that you knew you should have checked on out, but you didn't. So why are you not checking on a child?
I mean, I did check, but when babies are asleep, they sleep. That's what I thought. I raised my daughter Delilah on my own, and
No, it was stated that you were in the bathroom playing video games.
well, that's what they say. Cause I know me, I don't be playing my games. Why would I play my game in the bathroom? I don't.
And then they checked in with the plasma center and it shows that you were not at the plasma when you said you were. You were not at there at 7, you were there at noon. And so you left a premature by himself, face down in his bassinet.
I don't never face down my children.
Okay,
Always on the back.
anything else?
Okay.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. I'm following the agreement that the state has reached with your attorney. There's going to be proof of employment. Where are you working now?
No feathers. It's right off the military.
Within 30 days of release from custody. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. And why was the house so nasty? They said the house was filthy. Sorry, the apartment.
Well, I didn't have a lot of stuff. It's really my baby mama. She had a lot of stuff all over the house. I didn't have.
Well, were you not living there as well?
Yeah.
So why didn't you clean? They said that there was marijuana butts in the house. They said there was an infestation of roaches. So that's what you all brought a premature child to. So why was no one cleaning the apartment? They said there was standing water in the sink. Yeah, I'm asking these questions. So why were you not cleaning?
I mean, I do clean, but I don't clean as much as I'm supposed to.
And then in this report, they said that you said that you didn't have any family here in San Antonio. But now you're saying your mom was here, and halfway through the police report, you say that your mom was here in San Antonio.
Yeah, I always said my mom was here. She was even there when I got locked up.
All right, there's to be no contact with Zelaya Washington, no contact with minors. And obviously you and your girlfriend don't make good parents. So there's to be no contact with her. Let me see if I can, what is Tremaya Washington? That's Tremiah. And is Child Protective Services involved?
They were, Judge. The case has now been closed. It's my understanding that Samaya is with mom. Yes. We have not been able to reach mom.
Oh, I guess, I don't know why CPS would close the case, but I'm not CPS. All right. There's to be regular random UAs. Bill visits. One time per month until further notice. 100 hours of community service restitution. There's going to be parenting classes. Probation, is there anything else?
No, Judge.
And there's going to be 180 days Bear County Jail as a condition.
Will the court give him credit for his pretrial incarceration?
No. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement? Because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, and do you need any therapeutic help? Do you
Yeah.
need any therapy? Do you need help, mental health, trauma? All right, are you sure? You're died.
Yeah, but it says, you know.
So you're over it.
No, I'm not over. I'm just saying that I had my daughter and she was preemie, and nothing happened to her. It just, I don't know what happened.
Okay.
Judge, after he's released from the Bear County Jail, can he have his GPS removed?
Just come back and I'll consider it.
Okay.
All right. 760-281, 765-206, 765-205, 738-374, State versus Michael Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Jason Garrett,
for the defense?
Charles Bunk for Mr. Michael Rodriguez.
And are you Mr. Rodriguez? Lo and behold, another diamond. Everybody has the diamond tattoos and they are symbols, they say, of children. All right. What is your diamond a symbol of?
Peace and unity, happy.
Oh, peace, unity, and children. All right. I think we know. Okay. So you are here to have a bond set in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor. We filed motions and I've tendered them to the court. I've conferred with the state and
All right. So, Mr. Rodriguez, can you raise your right hand for me, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand. If you were released today, where would you be living?
At my grandfather's house.
Well, did you pick up the phone and ask your grandfather if you can live there?
I was there. He has Parkinson's and I was helping him there before when I got this warrant and I got picked up. I didn't even know I had a warrant for one of those. I was paying my payments and stuff.
So the answer to my question is no.
Yes, ma'am. I've talked to him. My stuff is there.
No. My question to you is,
No, ma'am.
did you pick up the phone and ask him if you could stay with him?
No.
All right, so where will you be staying? Do you have a place other than there to stay?
My mother's.
Have you called her and asked her if you can live with her?
No, ma'am. I didn't know. No, ma'am.
You can't just say you're living with somebody if you haven't asked them.
No, I was living with my grandfather. My stuff's there, my clothes, my truck, my dog, all my personal things. Like I said, I've been taking him to his doctor's appointments on Thursdays. I get up and cook for him. I stay there at that house. I have my room there.
Well, based upon one of your charges, and I don't take any of it as true, I don't think that's a great place for you to stay.
Okay.
What is the your mother? And I'm sorry, what is his name?
Stevie?
What is his name?
Charlie Martin.
And with regards to your mother, does she have any health issues?
No, ma'am.
And are you employed or your employment was just helping him?
Yes, ma'am. I also do plumbing. I'm a plumber.
Do you have a license?
I have to go to Austin to get it. I have my hours.
So the answer is,
I have my apprentice,
but you don't have a license.
I'm not. I also do lock work,
What do you mean you do lock work?
locksmith. I was doing a pipeline. I was working for a Salo Construction, installing the fire hydrants and sewage drains, the main drains.
And you said it's 3225?
325 Regina Street.
325.
Ah, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And have you ever used any drugs in the past?
When I was younger, man,
What?
marijuana and I said I didn't take no pills, just marijuana and drink beer and cocaine when I was in my eighth.
And what else?
That's
So
it.
we have marijuana, beer, cocaine. What else?
That's it.
Have you ever been diagnosed with mental health issues?
No, ma'am.
And how far did you go in school?
11 and a half when I got my GD.
Okay. All right. So it appears that you all have come to an agreement on bond amounts. So in a NIGHTMAC number ending in 281, your agreement is for $7,500 bond. Are you asking for any added conditions?
No, Judge, well, the state always requests GPS tracking at least.
All right. Can anyone tell me what is the offense dates for these cases?
Yes, these.
281. I'm sorry, NIMAX 760-281.
760-281.
Mhm.
Offense date looks like April 12th, 2024.
And then 765-206.
765-206, Judge.
Yes.
That is offense date of May 14th, 2024.
And then 765-205.
205 is 5/14/2024.
And then 738-374.
Which one, Judge?
NIGHTMAX 738-374.
That is November 13th, 2023.
All right.
You guys have one indicted case, but I believe the bond is 7.
Okay. And then in the cause number ending in 206, you all have agreed to $5,000. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in cause number 205, you all have agreed to $20,000.
Yes.
And cause number 374, you all have agreed to $4,500.
Yes.
All right, I will follow your agreement, but in each cause number, the court is going to order GPS. State, do you want full GPS or partial for employment?
Judge, we're okay with tracking.
Okay. So GPS tracking. I'll ask that fees are waived.
Thank you.
And you're not allowed to reside at the address on Regina Street. Or with Charlie Martin. And that's in each cause number. Is there anything else from either side?
Nothing from the state.
Nothing from the defense, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
A young man appears in court to resolve a serious felony case through a negotiated plea agreement. While reviewing the evidence, the judge notices several inconsistencies between his statements and the official investigation. As the hearing continues, the judge questions him about his decisions, his timeline, and the living conditions described in the reports. His explanations fail to answer many of the court's concerns, leading to a tense exchange that becomes the focus of the hearing. Despite the seriousness of the allegations, the court honors the agreement reached between the prosecution and the defense. The sentence includes 8 years of community supervision, time in county jail as a condition of probation, parenting classes, community service, regular reporting, and strict restrictions on future contact with certain individuals. The hearing ends with the judge emphasizing personal responsibility and warning that any future violations could result in much harsher consequences.